been running around like a just like wild boar for 5 days, 6 days. I feel literally awful physically because I've been like just pretty much living off of takeout, which has been making me feel awful. Cleaning this apartment and getting everything out of it has proven to be definitely the hardest move I've experienced yet. Like, it just feels endless. It's just been so overwhelming to do it all alone. My original plan was to vlog today, which, okay, now the tears come. Whenever you start talking to someone, that's when the tears start coming, where all day I've been like, why can't I access the feelings that I'm having? Like, I cannot access them. And then it's like you talk to a friend or like someone hugs you or something and like all of them come out. My original plan for today was called My Last Full Day Living in New York City, which I think I had built up in my head in a lot of different ways of like, what will this last day feel like? I talked to my therapist about it, where I was like, I'm really dreading that Saturday because I know I'm gonna feel so much pressure to make it like amazing and do something really fun and exciting. And it's just like funny how life works and you just don't know what's gonna happen. Like, even if I had planned all of those things, which I didn't really, this week within like 5 days, 3 days, the COVID situation has just taken a very quick and serious turn. A lot of people I know either have COVID and or have been exposed to COVID. I just luckily have been testing negative, I think probably because I was packing all week and I just was not seeing anyone because I was so overwhelmed with packing. So obviously that means like this weekend I did not go out or like go even to restaurants or whatever. I've just been at home. It's making it much more apparent that I am doing this alone, more or less. I also just underestimated how much work it was gonna take to like get all of the logistics figured out. Or it's all over. We did it. Kind of. It still,
that shit happened.
It still seems like there's shit in it. But there is. It's fine.
The first song I was obsessed with as a youngster was this. She said she'd buy me something like a toy.
I've never heard any of these songs. I'm like, wait, this, I'm loving the queerness of this.
Gideon's Bible table across the way.
Mercury's moved into your fifth house. It's in conviction on the other side. You make space.
It's me. I'm like, what is this movie? Oh my god, it really is hitting your face so beautifully. Oh my god, I'm so excited to live in LA. You look so hot. LA is my future. I love it. La La Land. Oh, shit. I pretend it's on. Lived a million different lives and broken 6 different times. I don't even know where I put all the bananas.
She will live on.
She will. Okay, so excited to be working with Vitruvi again. It's such a nice way to enter into my home and my space. They have their new colorways in lavender and eucalyptus, which the green and the light purple look so good together and just like kind of fit into any space. And of course, along with some of their formulas like Breathe, Eucalyptus, Lavender, perfect for right next to your bed or in your bathroom to make it feel like a spa, which you guys have seen in my other videos. And especially coming into a new space, it's just nice to feel like at home and feel intentional and make it just feel as comfy as possible. Their essential oils are 100% pure, vegan, and without any additives. Their ceramic diffusers have 2 settings with an either 8-hour intermittent or 4-hour constant scenting and an optional LED light, which is great. They really just look good anywhere around your house. I think they are the most beautiful essential oil diffuser you could find, and just such a nice way to bring in new scents into your home. I always like switch up the scent depending on how I'm feeling, and they have so many different essential oils you can choose from to just like really fit whatever mood or room you're putting it in. If you want to check them out, you can use code Jenny for 20% off site-wide, which is so nice in your home. Definitely recommend. She did it. She's like, oh man, this is why I'm like, oh, it's way sturdier than I thought. Like it's ever been. That was really top and this was bottom. What does that mean? I'll leave them. kitchen and we brought our little bop bops.
Caminando, sembrándole, caminando por el mundo del rey. Toda la cosa que he encontrado, todo el amor obsesionado. Vida por la línea de la costa, escucho la belleza de tu risa. Nunca jamás te dejo de mi vista. Siempre listo, siempre dispuesta. Sin parar, sin parar, parar. Sin parar, sin parar.
Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. I thought I'd finish up this vlog with like a little touch base. I feel like what I've been filming, I haven't necessarily like been talking through anything too much because everything's just been so chaotic the past few weeks. Yeah, so I've been in LA for like 5 or 6 days now. Sunday, no, almost a week, which is really wild. It feels like I've been here for a month already. The amount of things that I've gotten done in the past week is hectic and chaotic, but also like really good. I feel like I've made pretty good progress on my apartment. Now I'm kind of in the stage of like hunting for some pieces that I need to like fill certain spaces, and like buying a desk, a dresser, like restocking my kitchen still. Like I'm still definitely in the process, but it has been so nice. My friend Abby was here helping me through everything. Having her here was such a blessing. She definitely like reminded me at one point of like, no Jenny, this is like a lot for you to have done alone. Which I think in my head I have such like a perception of like I should be able to handle all of this and like should be able to just like move out here and like just do it all myself since it's like for me. But definitely made me realize where I'm like, yeah, it makes sense to like have support and like help through like big transitions, and yeah, trying to like go easy on myself in that way. But yeah, was so happy she was here. She had to leave, and so now I'm just by my little old self. I had my first little dinner last night. I cooked here for the first time, like for dinner, and overall I've just been pretty happy. Like the weather's great, my apartment's great, like I just am feeling like everything keeps lining up, which is a really odd feeling that I feel like I haven't like necessarily felt for such a long time, that I'm like, oh, this is like everything's falling into place and like new fun exciting things are happening. And yeah, I'm not really missing New York yet, so we'll see if that changes. But overall it's been a really nice week. The days here are just so much longer. Like I feel like I can get a million things done in a day, and I've been loving that. Driving again has been like interesting itself, and yeah, overall I'm feeling happy. So yeah, I'll probably have another moving vlog, more so like getting furniture and like rearranging, and I'll show you like a little bit more of my apartment because you've only seen bits and pieces. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Definitely go check out Vitruvi down below and get a little discount. I am such a big fan of their essential oil diffusers. Like I have been using them for years, but the new colors are really nice. And yeah, it just makes me always feel like so cozy and at home, and aromatherapy is so nice and helpful. Yeah, so check them out below, and a big thank you again for them sponsoring this video. And I will see you all in the next one.